going to look at some of these problems from this worksheet. Okay, a few of them, not every one of them. Here's number 7. Okay, take a look at what we have here. What we're told is that L1 and L2 are parallel. Anytime we have parallels, we're going to look for all those angles that are formed, those same side interiors, those alternate interiors, and those correspondings. So look for the alternate interiors, okay, and look for the corresponding. So we could see from this picture y and z are both alternate interiors, so they are equal, okay? And then we have also the w and x are same side interior, which is to say, okay, that w plus x equals 180. W plus x equals 180. Okay, so we got that information going for us. What we're asked to find is what is x plus y in terms of w and z. X plus y in terms of w and z. Well, okay, if we said what is x plus y, well, here we know that y is z, and down here we can see that simply subtracting w from both sides would give us x. X is 180 minus w, and y is z. So I think we got it now. All we got to do is say, okay, x plus y is the same as saying 180 minus w plus z, okay? And that should do it for us, which is selection A, okay? I'm going to put this on freeze and come back and look at another one in a minute. Okay, guys, we're back. We're going to look at number 10 right now. We're going to look at number 10. Okay, we have two sets of parallels. L1 and L2 are parallel. L3 and L4 are parallel. Okay? Again, anytime we have those parallels, we've got to look for all those angles that are related to the parallels. Okay, the alternate interior, the alternate exterior, the corresponding, and the same side interior. Okay? So these are running a little faster than I thought, but let's take a look at it, okay? With, let's go back. With L3 and L4 being parallel, we're going to pick up the alternate interiors there, okay? We're going to pick up the alternate interiors here, okay? The alternate interior of x, okay, is right here as x, okay? So here's L3 and L4. If this is x, then this is alternate interior, and that is also x, okay? Since L1 and L2 are parallel, this x here can come over and be corresponding to this angle, which is also x, okay? Now, what are we asked to do? What are we asked to do? Express y in terms of x. Well, right now, okay, going back, x is given here, alternate interior to that is the x here, corresponding to this x is the x over here, okay? These three angles, okay, x plus y equals 180, okay? Y plus y, of course, is 2y. 2y plus x equals 180. What do they want? They want y in terms of x. That means they want y left by itself on one side. So we subtract x over here. It should be minus x, not equals x, okay? And then we divide by 2, which gives us 90 minus 1/2 x, which is selection C, okay? All right, we will come back and do one more problem for you. And one last problem I want to look at is number 14. Number 14 is saying, look at the figure up here. This figure, of course, is composed of two triangles. All right, we want to find the measure of these outside angles. Okay, well, the measure of those outside angles is, first off, easier to see if we just went and completed this circle here, up here, and up here. We would have, okay, all the angles around a circle, which would sum up to 360, okay? So all the angles surrounding a single point will sum up to 360. So surrounding a single point here, 360, 360, 360, and 360. So that would give us a total of 4 times 360 or 1,440. But wait a minute, that's not what we want. What we want is that sum less the two triangles. Of course, each triangle is 180 degrees, so take out the 180 times 2, okay? As it says here, we are looking for the exterior angles, okay? So we need to subtract the angles formed by the two triangles. So it's 1440, which was 4 times 360 less 2 times 180, giving us a total angle, exterior angle measure, the angles indicated here, summing up to 1,080, okay? So let that be a little preview for you to use to get some of the rest of those done, okay? We're going to call it quits now.